got to the campsite last night, discovered that Matty had accidentally forgotten to bring his tent camping. So using a DD tarps, he has fashioned a tent and slept in it last night. Was it comfortable, Matthew?
It was lovely, yeah.
Good work. We've come out of the Welsh mountains because it was just a little bit too wet and windy, and we've come to a friend's paddock. We've put a big tarpaulin up in a tree because it's all quite wet, and we went to my mum's place to pick up Big Bertha. This is Big Bertha. Matthew is loading Big Bertha. Big Bertha was made out of a British Oxygen Company gas bottle, welded together with a hinged door and another little hinged air inlet at the bottom there. You're going to rub a couple of sticks together, Matt, to get this lit?
I'm going to cheat.
What are you going to do?
Use a fire lighter.
You little naughty boy, you. Matt's bag of many things. There are so many things in this bag. It's always nice to have fire. There you go. Right, we'll get back to you once this is roaring. Pop the door open for me, mate. Lovely. I thought I'd light a small fire. Ah, lovely camping trip. And very warm. So there's the chair and there's the fire. So let's see how many paces. Let's count the paces. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's getting hot. 5. That's too hot. 6. That's really hot. Yeah, that's quite impressive. I do feel as though I'm being a bit of a redneck here, but I was given full permission to do this, and trust me, at the end of a camping trip, to have a nice soul-warming fire this kind of size is magnificent. Cheers everybody, have a wonderful week and weekend.